Parang sila light kaya nga naalala ko si
Kabuhayan. Ay,
light
may
dun
kalaban ha.
May kalaban, may kalaban, may kalaban. Full buffs, full buffs, full buffs.
Put up, put up, put up.
Put up, put up. Dito na, dito na, dito sila. Okay. So,
Ay, mali.
okay. Begin na engage in northeast on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, on me, on me, on me, on me. Nice one.
Deleted!
Defensive, 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 defensive. Patrol.
Tangina!
Patrol.
Alam!
Kamakis, kamakis. West, west, west.
Lagyan ko po!
Sayang, hindi nyo na-delete. Kamak west, kamak west. 20 seconds. Engagement.
Naglag yung magtatay pani.
Okay, engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, on me, on me, on me, on me.
Dapat tayo napatay dun? Hindi pa natin napatay yun.
Tayo.
Yeah, retry, 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 retry.
Papa, mapag yan, papa. Anong guild to?
May mga composition na na.
Naglag eh.
Sige, merchant, papatay ka na merchant para makapag-reset ulit tayo.
Ano ko nga, patay na yung isa eh.
Puro DPS sila.
Naglag.
Puro DPS na.
Oh my! Naglag.
Sila pa rin mga kalaban natin yan next pack.